Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to make bow nails using a silicone mold. Silicone molds are convenient for making three-dimensional bow parts just by pouring gel into a silicone mold, but you need a few tricks to avoid mistakes. If you know this trick, it will help you when you use any type of silicone molds, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. I'll be using nail tips this time, but if you're applying it directly to your natural nails, start with nail care, lightly file the surface, remove oil with ethanol, and then apply a base coat and let it cure. First, apply a base color gel to your own nails. In this case, I will apply the sheer white color to the entire nail. After applying the sheer white, cure with a light. One coat is too light, so apply 2 coats and cure. Next, let's make a bow with a silicone mold. This time, I will use this silicone mold. This silicone mold is molded with not only bows but also nails. But we will use only the bow part. Pour the gel here and make a bow. Also, due to the nature of silicone molds, they tend to attract small lint and dust. So before using them, soak a kitchen paper in ethanol and wipe off any dust. After cleaning the silicone mold, pour in the gel. If you pour color gel directly into the mold, it may not be strong enough. So it is recommended to mix color gel with hard gel or icing gel. Especially large parts like this one tend to break easily. So be sure to mix the hard gel in advance. Just use a small amount so that the color gel does not become too light. Once the color gel is ready, pour the gel into the silicone mold. First, take a small amount of gel on a short art brush and rub the gel on the inside of the silicone mold. Rather than pouring the gel into the silicone mold, rub the gel onto the inside of the silicone mold as if you were creating a film of gel on the inside of the mold. This is a step to help the gel flow in smoothly. By doing this, the gel will not repel inside a silicone mold, making it difficult to form cavities and creating strong parts. After rubbing gel on the inside of the bow, pour a lot of gel into the mold. The key to using a silicone mold is to avoid creating cavities inside the mold. If you touch the gel too many times, bubbles will form and cavities will form inside. So, make sure to pour through the walls of the silicone mold. Since the gel is rubbed on inside of the silicone mold first, the gel will flow smoothly. If bubbles get in, remove them with the toothpick. After pouring the gel all over the bowl, wipe off any excess gel with a wood stick. Now you have finished pouring the gel into the silicone mold. Also, since the silicone mold is soft, you can expand or contract the bowl to change the size to suit the width of your nail. But at the same time, the curve of the nail can be loose or tight, so please be careful. Check for bubbles from the back side of the silicone mold as well, and if there are none, cure with a nail light. Now, remove the gel from the silicone mold. Twist the silicone mold, and it will come out easily. Check the finished bow, and if there are burrs, or if the bow is too large to fit over the nail, shape it off and adjust the size here. Next, attach the bow to the nail. First, apply glue gel or art gel to the inside of the bow. If you don't have it, you can use base coat as well. After applying the gel, place the bow on the nail. If gel comes off the bow, wipe it off with a brush. After placing the bow in the desired position, cure as it is. Finally, apply a non-white matte coat to the entire nail. After applying the non-white matte coat to the entire nail, cure. This completes the process. Just by pouring gel into the mold, a three-dimensional bow nail is completed. How did you like the bow nails using the silicone mold? By paying attention to a few points, you can make bow parts without making mistakes, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.